Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to show you a short video of me unboxing my new camera. Yes, I got myself a new Canon 750D. So I'm just going to show you the unboxing process and a little bit of tutorial on how to get started when you want to film a YouTube video or take a picture. So guys, let's get right into the unboxing. So my camera came in this bag, Media Mass. I got it from the Media Mass here in Athens, Greece. I have opened it before a bit, but just want to do another unboxing video. So this is the one I got, a Canon 750D. Came in this pack. It's like this. This is the strap. And this is part of the charger. These are the manuals, 3 manuals, and a CD. This is the USB cord to transfer your videos or your pictures to your computer. The lens cover, these are some of the lens covers. That holds the battery holder that holds it so you can charge your battery. This is the battery. Now this is the camera itself. Now this is the camera itself. So this is the lens that came with the camera. Another lens cover. So now, how did I put it together? It was kind of easy anyway. So this is the lens. This is how I face it. You will hear that click sound. And if you want to remove the lens, so there's a button beside this camera here. Just press on it and remove it. Same way you fixed it. So now, face it back. So now, I'll show you how we start to record with our camera on. First, I am going to insert the battery. Here, this is the battery. We'll insert it. Close. Then I am going to put on the camera. You see the button up here? This is the off, the on, and the video mode. If you want to make a video, you take it straight to the video mode. But if you want to take a picture or set your camera, just put it on first. Flip out the screen, which is like this. Now you want to set it or you want to take a picture. You see, once you scroll on, once you press on the menu, just go back on this button and to show you like this, you can take a picture. There's this button in front of it, the shutter button where you can press to take your picture, or you can use the touch screen. You see, taking a picture, or you press the shutter button. Taking a picture. Now for instance, we want to record a video. Make sure on this one button, when you want to set it for a picture or a video, let this the menu be aligned. Let it be aligned with this mark right here. So now I want to make a video, just shift it down to the video. See, after you do that, just click on this button right here. You see the red sign on the screen? It means that it is, you see the red sign on the screen? It means that it is shooting. And when you want to end your video, also do this. Well, I'm still learning about this camera, you know, it's still new. I am not an expert on it yet, but I just gave you the little tips I know about it. All these buttons here, they have their various functions also. Just read your manual and you will get the hang of it. I can assure you guys, this camera has very nice quality. I can see the changes in my video. Yes, I've made like 2 videos from it already because I couldn't wait. So I decided to just show you guys a brief video of my unboxing it and few tips on how to start off and on. You now want to off our camera. What you do, put it off like that. You close your screen. Yes, the screen, I forgot to add, the screen rotates. See, you can face that way, you can do it to face downward, depending on what you want to film. You see, it rotates, and that is it. Okay, now you want to take off your lens. Make sure to press this button before you remove it. Yes, and that is it. And now those lens cover, I'm going to show you how you use it to cover it. This one goes for this. You cover this place like this. And this other two, this one covers the front screen. Make sure to press this place. That is it. And the last cover, and this last cover covers here. So your camera, the screen, everything is protected, and you put them back in the case. So guys, that is basically all I have to say about this Canon 750D. It is a nice camera. If you really want a good HD video and a camera with an inbuilt Wi-Fi, you should go for this one. Thanks for staying with me. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.